So, welcome to this update. Well, a lot of things happened. We took the first lettuce out. This one is still in there, but you know, I actually put some. I will show it to you, but like I put some stuff in here. I put like uh, I put a no very nice like lettuce leaf. Just rip it apart and turn it over here, and with like this, right? With this little tool, I just went and just did like this, right? Just mix it up, just to kind of compost a bit, right? And over here, yeah, a ton of the radishes are already out. We can harvest every single one of them. We just have too much at the moment. And over here, I planted a week ago. I planted some beans over here. Some flambeau beans, some like a red variant, right? And some butter beans, like yellow beans, right? Over here, the mint is doing okay. Lettuces too. We have an extra strawberry plant, which look at that big boy. Very huge. It's a different kind, as you can see. Even the leaves have a different color. The flowers, there are no flowers anymore on this plant, but yeah. So these ones are ready. I could harvest them right now. I'm probably going to harvest them today. But yeah, they're very sweet. They're very damn sweet. The first bunch, like those are the last ones of this bunch, and over here are new ones growing. And over here are just the lettuces. I put some I put some like just dried grass in here, like hay or something like that, right? And because this one is the dirt, like like something happened to those plants. I just didn't water them enough, and this plant really had a lot of bad leaves. We did them off and kept watering them, but just this plant is so tiny that just like a lot of sunlight goes into it, and a lot of the soil gets dry quickly. So I put some mulch in there. You call it mulch because it keeps the sun from radiating through it, and it keeps it a little bit cooler as well in this hotter climate, especially when the leaves did not catch as much sunlight or heat as it did previously, or as it could have. So let's go down to the big part of the garden. Oh, you know, look at this growth. Look at this growth. This thing is huge. You can already see that I think there are flowers. This thing and those guys. I think these things are flowers. This, by the way, it's like the circle, this blue circle. It helps against slugs and like that type of like those very annoying slugs, right? It helps against them. Yes, it might be a little bit thingy, but it really helps. Like no slugs are coming off. So we haven't found any, like it didn't kill any. It just, or as I know, but like it just keeps them away. And this one is also this one is a butternut. See this massive growth? Ah, damn it! Yeah, that was a train. So this was a butternut, which were the smallest ones, or still the smallest ones, but you can actually see they have a different kind of leafy structure, right? Oh, let's go. There's an animal, right? Can you see? Can you see it? Yeah, there it is. Nice. I think, oh, the animal is gone. I think it smelled the, like the flowers that are growing on it. But the flowers aren't open yet, but once they're open, they will get pollinated by the, like, flying wasps and bees in this area. But this one is a yellow pumpkin, so you can actually see a little bit different, right? So these are the three different variants we have. I will send a bit further so you can see it. So you can see that there's a little difference. There's a little bit of difference, and that's very fun to see. This leaf is huge as heck. This leaf is huge as heck. Over here, yeah, indeed, flowers are starting to grow. This one is the saddest and smallest one. It was attacked by slugs multiples of times, like a couple of times, and brutally as well. So, yeah, but some leaves are starting to grow, and it probably will slowly catch up. It's a butternut as well, so you can kind of see the difference between a attacked one and a very damn healthy one. Yeah, actually, I did not say it, but we planted some water bottles over here. It's just a water bottle, right? A 5 liter water bottle, and we just cut the bottom off and put it in the ground. We dug a hole and then just did it in the ground and then just water it every single day in the morning. Like this or so. I don't know, like a liter or two. Yeah, it might be too much, but it's hot as heck. The sun is no, like, there's no the sun is a little bit off right now, but when the sun is shining, it's quite hot. This one, guess what kind it is. Just guess it. Maybe even leave it down in the comments if you want. But just guess it, right? Yeah, it's a yellow one. The I think the yellow ones have huge ass leaves. Like, look at that. Well, I'm just for comparison. Look, these leaves are huge. Yeah, this one also has flowers starting to appear. Not that big. They can't even be pulled. I do not think the flowers can. Sorry, wow. I don't think the flowers can be pollinated at all right now. I think they're too small and just too underdeveloped, but that will soon start to change. A butternut again, very nice, right? With a water bottle, and another orange pumpkin plant, very nice. Yeah, the balance is, it kind of lost its balance after this thingy went off, this leaf. But it's working alright. So I mean, oh yeah, and over here, something's happened. I planted some potato plants over here. Oh, look at that! Wait, I'm gonna show it in a little bit. But we actually planted some potato plants. We planted. You knew about these sweet potato plants that I grow, that I just put in there. But actually I put some potatoes, some old potatoes with like little sprouts in them. And you could maybe identify it by like tiny roots or so forming, but it's actually not a root. It's where the leaves are going to grow. Oh, you can. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, over here, there's one coming out, but those ones are already out of the ground. Pretty nice, pretty clean. And this is one potato plant, by the way. This is another one. This is one. I think this is another one. And over here, just the other potato plant. This one is trying to climb up I think. And underneath there is another potato plant. Look at that. Over here too. Over here, yeah, no potato plants yet. Same as over there. This one is trying to just get a hold of this thingy, I suppose. But over here, I think are the first developers. So this one, wow, that's huge. In like whole lot, like so they train's coming up. So I will just pause the recording. But I think they came out of the ground, or rather their leaves started to come out of the ground, or the first ones started to come out of the ground 2 weeks after putting them in the ground. 2 damn weeks, which is a pretty damn decent amount of time. I think it were 2 weeks, or it's like a week. I think it's 2 though. I think it's 2. Yeah, it's 2. And now it's like 3 or 4 days after, actually 3 days after the 2 week mark, and this happened to this guy in 2 or 3 days. Like, it went from that thing to right now. Actually, it went from this to that in 2 days. Of course, it was a hell of a lot of time waiting for something to appear, but once they're able to get photosynthesis, they're up and running fast. Over here are all of the grass put down over here is now nice and dry, and I can actually use it as mulch. I'm probably gonna use it as mulch pretty damn soon, but actually this has a lot of nutrients in it. I don't know if dry grass like this has nutrients. I think it is. It may be even better to put even wet grass, or not wet, but like green grass on it that maybe has more nutrients. Maybe it may have different nutrients, though I'm not a nutrients expert. But I just put it some of that dry grass over here and mix it up a little bit. Train went by again. But yeah, that's basically it. Where I had a ton of strawberries being picked, and yeah, it's actually pretty nice. This mint is oh yeah, let's go. Where is it? I saw, yeah, there was a flying wasp. It's a different, or like a, I know what the name is, but I think it's a flying wasp. But I don't know. Look, wait, can you look? It's gone. We're just like, yeah, you can see, right? Come, pollinate some stuff, please. Pollinate some stuff. I want you to pollinate a plant, bro. Just do some pollination work. Thank you. But yeah, that's basically what's happening. Like we look at that, bro. Start a farm right now. If you don't have money for it, yeah, I mean that's sad. I got this. I basically had a deal with my dad. He was like, "Okay, you can get it for free if it works, and see what it works. It worked damn good." So I basically got this shit for free. And yeah, if you don't have the money, yeah, that's sad for you. Hopefully you find it nice to watch me. But if you can, this is nice. This is nice as heck. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep learning.